Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure lead capture forms with Zillow Partner Leads step by step clearly. To configure lead capture forms with Zillow Partner Leads, begin by logging into your Zillow account. Navigate to the Partner dashboard to access your settings. In the dashboard, locate the Leads section. Click on Lead Capture Forms to start the configuration process. Select the option for Create New Form. You'll see various templates to choose from. Pick a template that best suits your business needs. Once selected, customize the form fields according to your requirements. You can add fields such as name, email, phone number, and any additional questions. Make sure to include a clear call to action button at the bottom of the form. After customizing, preview the form to ensure it looks professional and functions correctly. Once satisfied with the preview, click Save to store your changes. Next, navigate to the Integration section of the dashboard. In this section, look for the option to connect your form to your CRM or website. Follow the prompts provided to complete the integration process. After integration, you will be given an HTML code snippet. Copy this code for use on your website or landing page. Paste the HTML code into the desired location on your site. To verify the form's functionality, conduct a test submission. Check your CRM or email to ensure the lead is captured correctly. Once confirmed, you are ready to start collecting leads. Regularly monitor your form submissions in the dashboard to track performance. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize lead capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.